What's up, Internet? My name's Eric. I'm the design director at ProtouringTexas, and today we're going to bring you old school Cutlass 442. This thing has been in his family since the 80s. It was his mother's car. When he was a child, I guess his dad was already working on it. It was in the garage, had the front end off of it. He's never seen the car in one piece. He hit us up a couple years ago, bought himself a Roadstershop SPEC chassis for this car, took it home. This ended up being his COVID project. He put the body on the chassis, he slicked the firewall, did some tunnel work, put the minitubs in himself, because everyone had to have something to do during COVID. He did a really killer job getting those parts done. Then everybody went back to work. So he kind of realized that he wasn't going to get this car done in a timely manner. He reached out and said, hey, I know you guys don't normally do middle of the road projects, that type of stuff, but would you take this on? I said, heck yeah, let's get it done. He brought it over here. This is a 90-day turnaround, full wiring, plumbing, refitting the transmission, or not the transmission tunnel, but the drive shaft tunnel, so everything can sit down low on this chassis. We've been front to back with every single nut, bolt, and wire on this car. It's in one piece, it drives like a dream, and you're about to see it for the first time. Enjoy. The style on this car is pretty undeniable. The tan on tan is super rad, which really kind of led him to reach out to Forgeline and get, it's like a champagne color on this 5-star wheel. The fitment's freaking on point with a 345 rear tire, good and girthy. Super happy with his wheel choice and the color. It really plays off the car. But what makes the car is the Roadstershop chassis. Like, if you want the good, better, best option, like, I understand frame brace kits, bolt-on suspensions are pretty fantastic. They are night and day from factory. But if you want the best option, go to a full chassis. It comes with a rack and pinion. It's a 2-link with a panhard bar in the rear with a 9-inch. You can get that in a floater. You can get it with 35 spline axles. You can really handle some serious power if you want to. The options available to make a classic car drive like a new Mercedes are available. Why not do them? This car's got them. I think this thing is going to impress. Let's talk about drivetrain option. This car's got an LS3 crate motor with a 6L80 transmission. This is actually a connecting cruise package. We took it to the dyno and made 406 at the wheels. It runs like a sewing machine. You almost can't hear it if it wasn't for the freaking exhaust running. I was actually cruising it the other day, putting a few miles on it, and I pulled in and went to turn in the gate, and I was like, is it still running? I couldn't really hear it. The fact that you can do this with a classic car and have amazing drivability and dependability and still have some show quality result out of this stuff and it drive like an absolute dream is incredible. Hey, it's 2025. If you're not doing this with your classic car, I feel like you're messing up. If you need it done on your car, reach out to us. My email is eric@ProtouringTexas. You can hit the website, ProtouringTexas.com. You can follow us on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Tiddler, all that stuff, at ProtouringTexas. You know where to find us. Hit us up if you need us. Let's talk about the interior on this thing. Most of what you see is off-the-shelf TMI parts. A lot of it's been upgraded. We took the car over to PG Upholstery, and Pedro really took these things and kind of dialed them in to fit the car, because they're really, for a Chevelle and a 442 is just a small bit of difference. So he did a great job kind of tucking that stuff in, getting the headliner done, package tray, put in a fresh loop carpet on this thing, built the console, fits real nice in the shifter. Dakota Digital actually makes gauges for a 442, so that's what we have in here. Kept the wood grain on the dash. It's got heat and AC from Restomod. We like vintage air a little bit better, but this customer already had this set up, so it's installed. The firewall's smooth. Everything is clean. Car looks great, and it doesn't rattle. You know, it's just a dream to drive. I can't wait to take this thing for a cruise, so let's make that happen. Some people might not know that 442s, GTOs, and Chevelles are all on the same style of chassis. So this 442 gives us the ability to order a chassis that's for Chevelle. It takes very little modification to fit the bumpers and all that stuff. Almost a complete bolt-on. Really kind of widens the variety of car you can buy. Chevelles are kind of getting super expensive, but a 442 is still kind of affordable as far as the market of classic cars go. So pick up a Cutlass, pick up a GTO, pick up a Tempest, whatever, it doesn't matter. Get something on the road, enjoy it, put it on a quality chassis, good components, and just get on the open road. You'll enjoy it every time. I think what surprises me about this particular car is, like, I've never been a super big 442 guy, but I really dig this one. Like the tan vinyl top, the gold paint, and then the champagne wheels just play together so well. And the stance on this thing with the big wide tires is so impressive. I've really fallen in love with this one, so I think I might give 442s another shot. So if you got a cool one, shoot it to me in an email. Maybe I'm a buyer. I get phone calls and I get questions. Is it really worth it to just do a full chassis? 100% the answer is yes. When you're talking about quality, it's inexpensive compared to what you would do with something that was one-on. Going to a full chassis car makes the classic car drive like a new Mercedes. It's the best it can be if you want something that's super enjoyable, safe to drive. I mean, we're cruising down the road, I'm not even using my hands. Like, it's dependable and it's confidence inspiring. And give us a call, because at ProtouringTexas, we want to get everybody on the road and enjoying their cars with their family. So we can sell you a chassis, we can sell you a drivetrain, we can give you the information on the components that are going to give you a successful build if you want to do it yourself in your garage. We're here to help. Reach out to me. My email is eric@ProtouringTexas.com. Give us a call, 817-832-FAST. Find us on social media. It's at ProtouringTexas. You can Google it. We're everywhere. Check out, just go to Google, type in ProtouringTexas, and just click the image box. And there's photos of cars that we've done over the years, events that we've been to, just having fun. Like, check out some of the stuff that we've done. See if there's a car that kind of matches your vibe. And we'd be happy to build something for you, or we want to help you get on the road.